So it's been a very labor-intensive day. Had to sand all of the floor down in the kitchen, starting with 80 grit and going to 120 grit on a belt sander, and it's only 21 inches wide, so it took quite all morning just to get it done. And then we've put in some filler pieces to go from the old floor to the new floor, and I had to sand those down flat because there's high rises and lower. We put these in, so I had to sand them down to make them even on each side, because like right here, that spot was higher, so I had to sand it down. This spot was lower, so we had to sand this old floor down to match that. And then you can see over there, that was higher, so I had to sand it down. So do that over there, and then do right here. And then, yeah, like I said, take that belt sander. If you watch that short of me sanding the floor, yeah, it was crazy, but they look great, and I think we're ready for stain. We did put in some filler, like that's wood filler, stainable wood filler, and it will sand it off, and then we can get ready for stain. So work on the floor. Dad was up here with me, and he got the bathroom all ready for drywall. We had 2 walls to put in. Hey yo. 2 walls to put in, and then but had that wall put in for the shower, and then he got the seat all done. So we got to top the win on that to match the floor. So got all that, and then we put the wiring box in. And then we built this wall over here that's going to encase the water heater and electrical.
We get this thing in though.
Yeah, but that's easy to put in. That's going to go right in the side of the wall there to hold our stuff for the shower. But yeah, been up here all day. It seems like it didn't do much, but it was a lot, quite a lot. So there'll be some longer videos too of us cleaning this whole. This was crazy covered in sawdust, so you'll see. But thanks for watching, and see you next time.